Here's why rich people mostly drive Range Rovers. Hey, rich person, why do you only drive this car? Because I'm rich and I can. Okay, but how? No, I'm just kidding, sort of. It's actually because I can write it off on my taxes. In the tax code section 179, when you own your own business and drive a car that's over 6,000 pounds, the government lets you write it off on your taxes as an expense. Basically a discount on your car. It's that easy? Pretty much. Just make sure you drive it at least 50% of the time for business.
So this is an oversimplification. For section 179, it is true that you have to drive it at least 50% for business to qualify, but then you don't get to expense the entire car. You expense that percentage that is business use, and then the percentage that is personal use can actually be taxable income and fair market value to the person that is using it for personal use, which of course is typically the owner.
Jasmine's absolutely 100% correct. And I see this all the time. I've been trying to do it for 20-something years, been explaining this to folks. Here's the other downside is if you fall below 50% usage, the entire amount that you deducted now becomes taxable to you as ordinary income. And people do not realize this. It is a dangerous game. If you are buying a vehicle for business use, it's not just the first year. You got to be over that 50% in order to use 179, the equipment deduction. But if you fall below that 50% threshold during its useful life, which is 5 years on a car, it comes back to you as a taxable event. Boom, that could be extraordinarily painful. And for whatever reason, people don't talk about this, and the personal use being taxable. Oy, we always have to deal with that because these people go out and they buy these Range Rovers, and again, it's usually for a spouse or something else, and they said, but I wrote it off. And you're like, yeah, it's going to be taxable this year. It's all coming back because you didn't know what you were doing. And if you want actual tax advice, follow tax attorneys like myself. Like and subscribe.